In Pasco County, a Marine veteran and his wife have been out of their home since it flooded, and they contacted our Aaron Parsegian because they say their insurance won't help.
Including the floor, had to be replaced. Not to mention our furniture, our refrigerator, stove.
John Gregory's Hudson home is a shell of what it was in late August when he and his wife Rosemary left as Idalia came barreling down.
We couldn't get back in here till 2 days later.
The water line still outside shows how high the storm surge was, sending more than a foot of water inside. The damage?
Probably a little over $100,000 because, we had to tear out all the drywall in the whole entire house.
That's why you have flood insurance, right? Well, when Gregory tried to make a claim, he says his insurer, National General, told him he wasn't covered.
They were paid. They took it out every month like they were supposed to, and we still don't have insurance, according to them.
Gregory says his mortgage was transferred to another lender earlier this year and that he's always had flood insurance paid through his escrow. He was under the impression he was covered from June 2023 through June 2024. He thought
everything was done, everything was good.
But it was more of a mess. He filed a complaint with the state. In the OFR's review, his lender, Carrington, says the original lender received the policy from National General on June 9th and sent the application, but it did not get validated. When Carrington took over the mortgage, they say they got a new application invoice for the policy term of June to June. Carrington says they called National General several times over a few days to verify the policy was active and if more payment was due. On August 23rd, the insurer responded requesting an overnight premium payment of more than $3,700. Their records show the check they sent after the application was cashed August 28th. Idalia flooded the area 2 days later.
They've got a copy of where they received it, where they cashed it, and they're still saying that we're not covered.
We reached out to National General to figure out why. They've not yet responded to our request for comment. According to the state, many flood policies take 30 days to go into effect after purchase. But John says
the insurance company sent them a letter and an email stating that we had coverage from June 23 to June 24.
In the meantime, John and Rosemary got a little help from FEMA, but are now approaching 3 months without being able to stay at home. And they are hoping this issue gets resolved as money stretches thin.
I expect them to take care of whatever the damage is, because that's what you buy the insurance for to start with.
In Pasco County, Aaron Parsegian, 10 Tampa Bay.
And the Gregory say they will now file a complaint with the State Office of Insurance Regulation, which is a resource for folks dealing with claim issues. We have a link to that on 10tampabay.com. We'll also keep you posted when we hear back from the insurer.